This is what we're not going to do, all right? We are not going to be just no, we're not going to be doing that. Hello everybody, it is I, Salem, your favorite internet uncle. How are you guys doing? I'm coming at you looking like Rufus from Kim Possible, and that's because I am filming a get ready with me video to do nothing and probably just nap inside because I can't go anywhere because I am what? Quarantined. I am currently living in the second most infected state in the United States, so it's been very hectic around here. Restaurants are closing down, the malls are closing down. My university has officially been closed and switched to online classes. And yes, there's no toilet paper or hand sanitizer. It's getting pretty crazy. It's just been rough for everyone. If you guys want more information about what's going on, how to prevent it, and how to protect yourselves and the people around you, please go check out Tovar, who has partnered with the Ad Council to help educate you on what's happening. I will personally not be talking a lot about it, but one thing I can talk about is my quarantine experience and how hectic it's been living in the second most infected state and how life is now. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. It's gonna be a very chill video. So go ahead and bring your quarantine snacks, some hand sanitizer, and come be quarantined with me, and let's get ready to do nothing. All right, let's get into this. So I have already washed my hands so I can touch my face. I am going to be doing a quick skincare routine. All right, so being quarantined has been a hot mess. The day that the virus was deemed as a pandemic, absolutely everyone, women, men, old people, young people, dogs, all went out to stock up on literally whatever they could get their hands on. There have been people fighting over items. Yes, like physically fighting.
Arrests have been made, but police are looking for the other two women.
Over rolls of toilet paper. Even animals in tourist countries are going crazy because there's no one to feed them. So we haven't been stocking up on absolutely anything because we can't. It's just really insane. Like, what is this, the 1300s? Like, we rationing stuff now? The shortage is so insane that there are people out here buying Bath and Body Works hand sanitizer. Like, sis, the rose-colored glitters ain't gonna kill Miss Rona. Since my family hasn't been able to stock up on anything, I guess I'm gonna just starve, but I guess I'm gonna be so skinny. Oh my god, I'm gonna be so skinny. I have been quarantined for 2 weeks already. And if I'm being completely honest, there's absolutely no difference. I mean, before being quarantined, I had no friends and no one loves me enough to invite me out to parties or social gatherings. And after quarantine, nothing has changed. In my day-to-day non-YouTuber life, I am a very reserved, introverted person. I have a lot of hobbies that have to do with being indoors. I love painting, I love crafting, I love making music. So all of those things have definitely kept me very much entertained. For those of you who are feeling this social itch, like, oh, I need to go hang out with someone, I need to do something. First of all, I can't relate. Second, take it as an opportunity to pick up a new language, read a book. I would rather read some Wattpad fan fiction, but you know, everyone's different. I'm sorry, I can't keep filming with these hairs. I literally look like Dr. Eggman from Sonic. I actually am going to be recreating a look from my Instagram. If y'all haven't followed me yet, go ahead and give me a follow. And if you don't, it's fine. Everyone is different. It's just you're wrong and I hate you. The look I'm going to be recreating is my silky angelic look. And I'm gonna completely transform myself by the end of the video, so go ahead and stay tuned for that. Speaking of Instagram, I was like wondering, maybe you could stop making virus makeup looks because you guys look like idiots. Wow, that was probably the meanest thing I've ever said on my channel. But yeah, I have no idea what's going on in the beauty world. You know, something always has to be going down in the beauty community, unfortunately. People have been making makeup virus looks. I saw one person literally bedazzling a surgical face mask. Girl, this is what we're not going to do, all right? We are not going to be none of just know, we're not going to be doing that. There is an actual supply shortage going on. Hospitals are struggling. People who are actually sick are not getting the equipment they need in order to stay safe because we have beauty gurus literally bedazzling the masks. It just blows my mind how sometimes some people in the beauty community can just be so dull-minded to think that it's okay to make a makeup look based on something very serious that the whole world is being affected by, but y'all think it's cute. You're literally almost borderline taking advantage of the fact that there's a pandemic. It's honestly kind of disgusting. So let's just not do that. Now I'm just going to make my nose look like it was dunked in chocolate pudding. My stomach hurts. Oh, my stomach hurt. My stomach hurt. I really wanted to film like a gameplay to me playing Animal Crossing, but the only one that I have right now is New Leaf, and since everyone's hyping up New Horizons, I have no idea if I want to wait and hold off on that gameplay. I'm literally down to play like anything. I freaking love video games. Right now, I'm actually replaying Fallout 4 because Fallout 76 is it's Voldemort, basically. We don't speak of him. I already know. I gotta do my red nose. But apart from me being like a hardcore gamer girl, I enjoy the occasional Roblox game. You know, there's just something about Roblox that will forever have a special place in my heart. Something about doing nose highlight and blush just makes me feel like there's nothing wrong in this world, and it makes me feel so complete inside. People think that true happiness lies within a relationship, and that could not be a bigger lie. Real happiness lies within nose blush and highlight. I love Flee the Facility so much. Like, I'm so good at it. Like, when I'm Beast, I get excited because I am dragging people. I drag them so good, and when I put them in a little tube thingy, I be beating them with a hammer. I always break people's ankles. If y'all want to make a video of me playing Roblox with my followers, I'll definitely do it because it's so freaking fun. I'll enjoy capturing you guys. But if y'all catch me, I'm leaving the server. People have been wanting for me to talk about my ARMY journey, how I discovered BTS, and just have some BTS talk. So let's go ahead and have that. I told y'all today was gonna be a chill video. We're just gonna be talking and getting ready and chilling and being quarantined. Quarantines, okay? My best friend was the first person to show me BTS. It was about 3 years ago. My best friend in the very same minute showed me Expensive Girl.
2, 3, girl.
I'm scared. I don't know what was that, guys. I'm scared.
Is it Rich Girl or Expensive Girl? I don't know. I kind of blocked that image out of my head. It wasn't until like a year later that I really just started going down a rabbit hole. Every now and then I would go back to the dope music video because I really wanted to learn the dance. The moment where I wanted to become an ARMY is very weird. My moment was when I kept rewatching and rewatching Dope. There was one part of the music video that I always rewind, and it was when Jin smiled. I need to figure out this specific member's name. Like, I started looking at BTS bombs, ARMY covers, BTS as vines, taking quizzes. It just was like this whole new world that I've unlocked. And honestly, ever since then, I've fallen in love with each and every member. My bias is literally always changing. I just messed up my eyeliner. Also, if y'all can hear someone talking in the background, it's because it's my mom. She is non-stop talking to my tias and my tios, and that's good for me because I'm listening to all the chisme. Honestamente, la raza, we are not taking this pandemic seriously, and it's so annoying. I know very strict Hispanic parents think that Vaporu, sopa de res, can fix everything, but this is a very different thing. Oh, I love this lipstick so much. This is literally one of my golden goblet, what's it called? Holy grail. It is the NYX Cosmetics lingerie line Lipley 17. See, I knew it. Wait. Yeah, Lipley 17. I'm not gonna be putting on false lashes right now because I don't want to, so yeah. I know I hold spray weird, leave me alone. So this is how the makeup look turned out, but I am not yet finished. I'm going to change into my pajamas and that will be the final look. So give me a quick sec.
What's that I found? My diamonds. My diamonds.
Oh, final. So this is my final look. To stay inside and maybe take a nap. I'm kind of serving twins from the Shining Realness, but like pastel baddie kind of version. I know my sleepwear is very extra, and if you think it's extra, then good. That means I accomplished what I wanted to do, which was to be extra. This is one of the stuffed animals I have in my room. I believe I let you name this bunny on my Instagram feed, which was a mistake because your guys' name suggestions were interesting. Here are some of them. Eggward Bartholomew Esteban Julio Ricardo Montoya de la Rosa Ramirez. Which clearly I chose that name. So say hello to Esteban. Anyways, that is it for today's video. I'm gonna go ahead and finally go eat and maybe take a nap and then take another nap until I get hungry so I can eat again. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe and follow me on Insta because that is where a lot of the main content I make is going to be at. Remember to wash your hands and stop hoarding toilet paper, please. All right, bye.
With you, baby.